Hey guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Careeraddawithsangram. Welcome to a new job update video in this channel. So today in this video there is a big update from a huge company. The budget is also good for this job. Main part of the job is that any fresher can apply for this job and minimum qualification should be the graduate. So if you are graduate from any stream, you can apply for this job. If you are interested for this job, please watch the entire video. In the video, I have mentioned every single details of the job, like the job requirement, the job role. Also, I have mentioned how to apply for this specific role. If you are new to this channel and want to get regular job updates, career updates, course updates, everything from a single channel, you can subscribe the channel. Also, enable the bell notification to get notified from this channel. So without wasting any time, let's dive into our video. Hi guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Careeraddawithsangram. Today there is a new job update from HP company and this job update is completely for the financial background student. So those who have completed their BCom, BBA, MCom or MBA, they will get the higher preference in this job. So let's discuss about the job and I will also provide the job link in the description box so that you can also apply for this job and you can get all the details about the job as well. So as you can see in the screen, the job tab is open here and here the job role is mentioned, Financial Analyst 1. It is a entry level job, so the freshers can apply for this role. Location they have mentioned Bangalore and this is only one location, so if you are able to clear the job you have to visit Bangalore. Here you will get the apply button as well, but before apply to this job we have to gather all the requirements and we have to check all the skills are matching with our profile or not. So here responsibilities they have provided, what you have to do: provides financial analysis, perform data extraction and analyzes data, make recommendations, handles financial business issues, provides analytics to business initiatives, develop an understanding of HP's financial process and a working knowledge of the business. So if you have any knowledge on data analytics, business analytics, also you can apply for this role. Education they have mentioned first level university degree with a focus in business or economics, typically 0+ years of experience as a financial analyst. So here they have mentioned any graduate can apply, but if you have any kind of degree on BCom, MCom, BBA, MBA or any kind of degree on data analytics, business analytics, then you will get the preference in this job. Here knowledge and skills, basic understanding of accounting, it's mandatory. Basic analytical skills, good business application skill like Microsoft Excel, good communication skill, good teamwork skill. So from here you can gather all the skills and you can mention them in your resume. Here they have provided some details about the company, you can gather all the details, so it will help you to clear the HR round as well. So that's all about the job update. If you are interested, you can apply to this job. To apply for this job you have to check the description area, there you will find the link and from there you can redirect in this page. Here you can click on the apply now button and there it will ask you to create a profile. If you are new to this HP career portal, you just need to create a profile with your email ID and a password. Then you can get the application form. You need to fill up the form with your all details and attach your resume. Then you can submit the form and if your profile got shortlisted for this specific role, the HP team will call you or mail you for the interview purpose as soon as possible. Thank you. So this is all about today's job update. If you find anything informative in this video, please do a like and subscribe to this channel and support us. Also, if you have any query or any kind of discussion, you can follow me in Instagram. My Instagram ID will be present in the description box, so you can directly DM me for any kind of discussion. Also, I will provide all the job links in the description box. You can directly redirect to the apply page in the job portal. So for today, I am signing out. Take care. Bye.